Oil pressure sensor switch Dodge Dakota. This video outlines oil pressure sensor switch factory procedures for 2001, 2002 and 2003 Dodge Dakota trucks. This video describes oil pressure sensor switch description. Oil pressure sensor operation, oil pressure switch removal and oil pressure sensor switch installation. This information is based on the factory Dodge Dakota repair manual. Download the complete Dodge Dakota repair manual in seconds at 911manual.com. Go to 911manual.com to download the complete factory repair manual. You can download the manual in seconds. The repair manual, seen here, covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting, service and repair. You can use it to perform a simple oil change or to rebuild the entire vehicle. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.